How customers find you online is changing, and ranking number 1 is no longer the entire story. What if you could influence an AI's recommendations in just 2 weeks? With Grok, that is now a reality. Meanwhile, Google Gemini is tightening its grip, using its ecosystem to answer questions before users ever click. These are not the same game. A strategy for one will fail on the other. You need 2 separate playbooks. We will dissect their core differences, reveal their unique ranking signals, and give you a clear strategy for both. To understand how to win, you first have to understand what each AI is reading. Their data sources are their worldviews. Grok's power is its native, real-time connection to the X data stream. It knows what people are sharing right now. Gemini's advantage is deep integration across Google's empire. It lives in Search, Chrome, Android, and Gmail. This makes Grok the pulse of the public square, fast and current. Gemini is the world's largest library, vast and historical. Because Gemini is a library, it values what a librarian would: authority and trust, based on EEAT principles. This is the next form of traditional SEO. Well-researched articles and reputable sources are your currency here. Grok's trust signal isn't about history. It's about momentum. It uses a metric called sentiment velocity. But how does that work? Sentiment is straightforward. Grok analyzes X posts to see if people are speaking positively or negatively about you. Velocity is the critical component. It measures the rate of change in positive sentiment. A sudden spike matters more than slow chatter. This means a successful social campaign can directly and rapidly influence Grok's recommendations for your business. For Gemini, authority isn't just content, it's also proximity. This is why local SEO is paramount for its recommendations. Your Google business profile is a direct data feed for Gemini, providing it with reviews, Q&As, and fresh updates. We have 2 value systems: Gemini's library of authority versus Grok's town square of momentum. Let's see them in action. An e-commerce brand can use Grok to spot a trending hashtag, then optimize product titles to generate a sentiment spike. A local restaurant wins with Gemini by creating a flawless Google business profile with consistent, positive reviews. Gemini processes images, video, and code. Optimizing means providing rich media and structured data like schema markup. During a live event, a delivery service uses Grok to monitor trending topics and join the conversation at its peak. Grok's witty persona can be a branding opportunity. It's also a PR risk. An unfiltered AI can connect you with controversy. Gemini's efficiency is a threat. Its AI overviews can create zero-click searches, keeping users from visiting your site. People ask Gemini questions. They don't use keywords. Your content must evolve to answer these natural, conversational prompts. Grok users are deeply engaged with long session times. Discoverability there is about holding a niche audience's attention. So we have 2 platforms with different rules, opportunities, and threats. How does this form a unified theory of AI visibility? The fundamental shift is this. We are moving from a competition for rank to a competition for inclusion. For Gemini, inclusion is earned through authority. It cross-references your expert content and verified local data. For Grok, inclusion is earned through momentum. It builds confidence by observing real-time public validation. Winning in the AI era means proving your value in 2 ways. Build authority for the library and generate relevance for the conversation. This requires a hybrid approach. Traditional SEO for Gemini, combined with generative engine optimization for Grok. For Gemini, master your Google profile, build EEAT, and use schema. For Grok, master X, monitor trends, and create momentum. Grok and Gemini represent 2 divergent futures of discoverability. A specific strategy for each is a requirement for survival. Stop thinking about a single SEO strategy. Start building your dual playbook today. Your business discoverability depends on it.